Welcome to
Cleaning with Kids.
My name's Kalia.
And my name's Andrew.
Today we're in Coda Og.
So we're in Course E, Lesson 3, Conditionals in Minecraft, Voyage Aquatic. So the instructions say, let's feed the cod to the dolphin. A cod is a fish. Use a repeat until block to get across the ocean faster. So the dolphin's here and we're here. So we have a repeat block, and a repeat block loops. That means it keeps doing the things until it goes to the goal. So it will keep doing the code inside the repeat, but right now there's no code inside the repeat. So it's a straight line to the dolphin, so let's put a move forward here and run it. So now we're going forward.
And dolphins. We're on top of the dolphin.
Yeah, okay. Now let's press continue. Now it says, there's a nautilus shell hidden somewhere. Explore the shipwreck to reach the chest. So we're right here, and the chest is right here, where the nautilus shell is. So our code is repeat until goal. That means it's a loop. Move forward and move forward. So we're just gonna crash into the edge. Let's run it first. See, we're crashing.
It will repeat forever because we didn't reach our goal.
Yeah.
So we can turn right before the move forward.
Yeah, so we can turn and face down so we can go to the chest. Let's run it. Okay, so now it repeated and we went to the chest and got the shell.
Yay!
Let's continue. Now it says, looks freezing out there. Catch a salmon on your way to the underwater room.
That sounds tasty.
The salmon is right here jumping.
Yay.
So there's a turtle here, and you can also get a turtle. It's optional. So right now we're going to get the turtle while also going to the salmon. So first, repeat 3 times.
Move forward.
So we'll go forward here to here.
Then turn right.
Turn right.
Move forward 6 times to go to the turtle.
Okay.
And turtles.
Okay.
Then turn left.
Turn left. So we can, after getting the turtle, we can turn left and get the salmon. So repeat 3
times. Move forward so we can reach the salmon.
Okay, let's run it.
Move forward 3 times.
Turn right, move forward 6 times, get the turtle, turn, and get the salmon. Yay! And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to smash the like and subscribe. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.